How to use Viggle AI. So if you want to use Viggle AI, then what you need to do is first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go with the search and search for Viggle AI. Once you've searched here, you just need to simply go with Viggle AI or Viggle.ai, and it will take you to the website, right? So Viggle AI is the first video 3D foundation model with actual physics understanding, starting from making any character move as you want. You can join it by clicking on Join with Beta, which will be on your website. You'll be able to go with the home page, and under the home page or under the website on the upper right side of your screen, you will have home and prompt option. Right. So if you go with the prompt option, then it will take you to the prompt page, and you'll be able to see different videos here. You can also pick different sounds from these videos. To join the Viggle AI, you have to click on Join Beta. Here you will have Join the Beta option. Click on Join Beta and you have to accept the invite. After that, it will open the Discord app. Click on Continue to Discord. Agree to the terms and conditions and then go with Finish. And here you can see that the Discord website is open in which the vehicle has been shown. And after that, it will take you to the Discord website where you can scroll down and you can see different options. It will take you to the Biggle site. So to get started, on the left side of your screen, it will provide you with various animations. So you will find all of the animations like animation 1, 2, like all of that. Select any of the animations. So I'll be choosing 1. And if you get an option of claim admin, then you just need to simply go with claim and you can claim your admin. And you can enter the email address and password and click on next. And after that, you can resend your confirmation email. You have to complete a few steps. So click on complete at the bottom left and it will show you some rules that you have to read carefully while using Viggle. So agreed. And now you're applicable to the message here. At the given place on the message bar, type slash mix. And once you search for slash mix, here you will have image, video, or background option, right? Go with the first search. And once you click on that here, you will have a drag or drop or click on upload file, or you can also upload any video or image. So you can simply choose any one of those. For example, I'll be choosing image. Once you've chosen image, now you can simply add an image. And here also you can simply drag and drop or upload a file. And once you've done that, now you can simply go with the background option if you want to add a background. And make sure to upload a character image under your image option. So you just need to simply add a character. And then here on the bottom right, you might have an option of motion prompt. You can simply go with the motion prompt and then you can choose the emoji, stickers, or GIFs, anything that you're comfortable with. And if you click on the background, then you can choose your background like white, green, or everything like that. So I'll be choosing green. And here it says that you are in the production queue and the video will be finished in 1 to 5 minutes. So just wait for some time and your animation will be ready. Or you can also go with your old images. So what you need to do is simply go with the search again. And here you need to search for slash animate. And here you will have an option of image, motion prompt, and background. Simply click on that option and then you can add the image and then go with motion prompt. And under motion prompt, for example, I'll be adding a motion prompt and then go with the background option. And under background, you can choose a background, any background that you're comfortable with. And just wait for 2 to 5 minutes. It will just take 2 to 5 minutes to generate your video. So just wait and your video will be created. So that's how you can use your Viggle AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.